Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus number 1. So s squared plus 1 divided by s squared plus 1. You got about number 1. The integration of number 1. We have s. The integration of this one. We have tan of s. And we put the bounds from negative with the square root of number 3 to positive with the square root of number 3. And now we have the final answer. So I will put this one gone here. And this one gone here. So we simplify. And we got about number 2 with the square root of number 3. This one, with this one, we have about negative number 2 b over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.